Hello all, welcome to BioMinds. So today we have a very different kind of session. So it's a career related session. So once you complete your graduation or post graduation, so what will be the next step? Okay. So if you complete your graduation and post graduation in the field of biotechnology, so there are a variety of wide. So the first and the very common type of a career opportunity we heard many faculty or many teachers told you that the research, the R&D session. So here you have the academic research where you can pursue your research, you can pursue a PhD at the proper institute. Then industry R&D, there are certain industries which has the R&D session, such as a pharmaceutical industry, where you can do the research. Government labs are there, so where you can work, such as your CDC, FDI, NIH. So example roles are research scientist. So you will be the research scientist. So after getting the master's degree in the biotechnology, you can become a junior research assistant or junior research fellow. So you can pursue your PhD as well as you can start your research journey with this kind of career opportunity. So if you have an interest in wave labs techniques, okay, whichever techniques you have studied, you have learned throughout this graduation, post graduation, that you can apply. Okay, so research is also very growing field where you can do a research on drug discovery, vaccine development, and many treatments, and many more. Next are the pharmaceutical and biotech industry. So there are certain drug discovery and development, as I have told you. So new therapies, new drugs are being discovered in the pharma company. Clinical trial management. So there are clinical trials, as we have seen in the pharmacovigilance lecture, the clinical, what are the clinical trials? So there are four clinical phases. So where the clinical trials have been done. So you can get clinical trial management job, manufacturing and quality control. Okay, many pharmaceutical company has QA and QC, that is quality control and quality assurance. Okay, so here you can get a clinical research associate job. So there are many other jobs such as pharmacovigilance or the regulatory affairs, and CVM, that is clinical data management, and many. Next are the manufacturing and the production. So there are certain enzymes, there are certain products that we produced in the industry with very large scale. So biomanufacturing specialist, handling cell culture, protein purification, process development engineers, quality control analyst. So here you will get the manufacturing process. So where there are very large fermenters are being used, so you have to control the activity of the organism inside so that the product can be uh, it cannot be contaminated and you will get the good product quality. Next are the data science and bioinformatics. So this is very growing and trending field in the biotechnology. So if you have an interest in the computers, you can pursue this kind of career. So you can be a bioinformatician, you can be a data scientist, or there are certain biostatistics, you can be a biostatistics. So bioinformatics is also a very growing field in the biotechnology industry. Next, the regulatory affairs and the compliances. So, such as you have to generate a report. Okay, you have to study the report. You have to analyze the report. So, regulatory affairs is also one of the most advanced and the most trending field after you complete your biotechnology. Okay. Sales and marketing, you can have a career in the sales and marketing, though it is not that related directly to your field, but here you can do the sales of marketing of the biotechnology product. You can work for the pharma company where they can do the marketing and sales of their pharma product. Entrepreneurship and startups. You can start with your own startups, entrepreneurship. You can have your own company where you can go. So beyond the Spain, there are other opportunities such as science communications. So you can, translate complex features research for public and professional audiences. So you can be the subject matter expert, patent law in the patent analysis. We have obviously about what is patent is. So for patent, there are also variety of job consultation. There are medical writer, medical coder. So these are also many more opportunities you will have in the field of biotechnology. So see, this is very quick and very overview which I have given. I will come up with the other session where I can discuss one single opportunity in very detail. So I hope you subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for that. I will upload one kind of video, one opportunity, and I will discuss everything about it. So if you want to pursue your research, pursue in a career in the research, so what can be the opportunities? So what you have to do after completing masters? What are the exams you have to pursue or you have to give? So everything I will discuss in detail. So this is very quick overview of the career opportunities you will have. So just a summarization, you will have the wait labs and the diagnostic. So wet labs where you have a research and development, where you do the labs, where you work in the labs. Research development, QA, QC, okay, drug discovery basically. Next is your dry labs, where you can work with the computers, such as a bioinformaticians, biostatisticians, or we have a clinical data management, we have a pharmacovigilance, we have a medical writer, we have a medical reviewer, we have a medical coder. So these are so many opportunities you will have after pursuing biotech. Okay, so for that reason, there is a competitions everywhere in every field. So you have to choose what kind of field you are really interested. So that's why we'll have the separate session on separate opportunities in the biotech. So for that reason, you have to subscribe to my channel. Okay? Stay tuned for the next upcoming lecture on the or the session on the career. Thank you.